Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn karate at home. To begin your journey, find a dedicated practice area, ideally about 6 by 6 feet, ensuring it is clear of obstacles. Dress in comfortable attire that allows for unrestricted movement. Start by watching reputable instructional videos to grasp the fundamental principles and forms. Always dedicate 10 to 15 minutes to a proper warm-up before each training session to prepare your body. Now, let's focus on foundational stances and blocks. Begin by practicing the front stance, ensuring your back leg is straight and your front knee is bent at a 90-degree angle. Next, master the horse stance, where your feet are about 2 shoulder widths apart and your knees are bent directly over your ankles. Practice the downward block to effectively defend against low attacks, and then move on to the rising block to protect your head from overhead strikes. Moving on to offensive techniques, let's cover basic strikes and kicks. First, develop a powerful straight punch, ensuring your fist rotates 90 degrees just before impact. Then, practice the reverse punch, generating power from your core and opposite hip. Next, learn the front kick, aiming to strike with the ball of your foot. Finally, master the roundhouse kick, rotating your hip fully to generate maximum force and speed. Consistency is key for progress in karate. Aim for at least 3 to 4 training sessions per week, each lasting about 30 minutes. Initially, prioritize perfect form and technique over raw speed or power. After each session, dedicate 10 minutes to stretching to enhance your flexibility and prevent injuries. Most importantly, always listen to your body. If you feel any pain, stop and rest to avoid injury.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.